S&P 500 chart, weekly recap, September 11th, 2010. This is the year-to-date chart of the S&P 500. The S&P is a index of the 500 largest domestic corporations in America, starting in January here, all the way to yesterday. Very interesting chart. I find that first thing is that we've been living under a downtrend line here for the last 4 months. Much of this is just the decay of the domestic economy, high unemployment. You'll find that we ended up with a second downtrend line here. And what's really interesting to me is last week we actually penetrated above this second downtrend line here, looking a little bit bullish to me. We do have horizontal price lines here to pay attention to. We've got support on the S&P going all the way back to the start of the year at about 1140. And we got resistance short term right here at about the 1135 line. Looks to me like we can penetrate this downtrend line this week. Next week we can kind of attack this overhead resistance line here. The plus, I should say, the RSI being above 50 is a strong point. It is not at 70, which would be an overbought point. So we're not overbought. We're not looking for a peak here. The MACD went positive 5 days ago. That's a strong sign. As long as the plus DI, the green line here, stays above the red negative DI, we're in bullish mode. Also, you'll see that we've had kind of a lackluster horizontal cluster here for the last 4 months. In other words, we've gone really nowhere. Bunch of ups, bunch of downs. If we can penetrate through this overhead resistance, we get the chance to thrust upwards here. Interesting if that would happen. What is really interesting to me, and the reason I'm doing this weekend update, is we had a reactive low here from this up and down. Then we had a secondary low that was below the previous low. This low feed into the lower low here indicates a significant or dedicated downtrend. But look what happened here at the end of August. We actually came up with another low that was above this low. We now have the rights to expect a little bit of an uptrend here. This uptrend is now going to be in force until we break 1050 on the downside. So what we've done is narrowed the trading band right here. If we can penetrate to the upside, we're looking pretty bullish. If we hit the resistance, come back down, we're going to just continue this zigzag pattern here. Interesting chart. I thought it was worth your look. Jim out.